Chief Minister and Biren expressed strong optimism that Union Home Minister Amit Shah may approve updating the NRC in Manipur before conducting the census. Speaking to reporters at the Imphal International Airport upon his return from New Delhi, the ex-Chief Minister said he highlighted several critical challenges confronting the state during his meeting with Amit Shah. He added that the matters raised with the Union Home Minister included the public demand for a pre-census NRC update and a demographic imbalance caused by an influx of illegal immigrants. Biren maintained that he clarified to Amit Shah that the people of Manipur did not oppose the census itself, but are urging the centre to prioritize the NRC update. He claimed that he also briefed the Home Minister on the ongoing total shutdown enforced by the JFD regarding the NRC update. Biren added that he cited the Assembly's resolutions passed in 2023 and 2024 during his tenure as Chief Minister, subsequent communications from the Ministry of Home Affairs, and the identification of over 900 unrecognized villages in the hill areas. Biren further emphasized the hardships faced by indigenous populations, including ongoing blockades and counter-blockades, noting that the Union Home Minister listened to his briefing with sincere attention. Mention may be meant that Biren had left Imphal on August 16 and met with the Union Home Minister at his official residence in New Delhi for about 30 minutes yesterday evening.
Reference mayam loi puthoga haijare sir je praja gi apprehension si namuk ekoi 23 gi irang hokdune manga thajagi ba sargi officer gi si halakpada su positively hanbi rakhi bane hujik su praja na pamisi census tawnu haibunate ado NRC se tang NRC je hana tawbiraga census si ko tawbiyo natragadi ekoi illegal immigrants mayam singda maram morakanda ko demographic imbalance ma laani laire hujik laire hujik khange aduna hujik makta government record 926 unauthorized village unrecognized village masi recognized of your government tharak posule aduna masi demographic imbalance ma yam sound lairani sir masi gi ni praja ma yam apprehension laidna huji ngarang dagi 48 hour smai tang na ban tau khre khot khre aduga satra sing hesitation to ko ko da so kon ju yauna re haibadagi ma patient hearing yam kupna phajana tai aduga aina thajabada yam phajana tabi re che sang mayam loina purai chithi ma ju pirami chithi dudi ai horen social media da whatsapp ai media gi chinau singai honjana batoroke adudai da mana aina thajabada ma sung soi dana positively praja singna pamiba lines akogi kanogi akogi NRC tawdri da census tawbigno matang tangge kopiu NRC tawgo tawbiu haba photo ai positively lakadra haibugi ngonda thajabase ai engon feel tawe aduna ina praja mayam da su sidi leba ki pone koi punna samina gada bani sidi opposition level ite ruling level ite media level ite praja level ite koi punna apun bo ena koi whole indigenous people mahoron de pele minera ba jati mayam ge apun ma dimanina ana praja sing su ban tawri bo koli ba pen de bi tawro ko su violent ko kari wo se ai to widan ba haidna apil to maram di ai gi wena sigi suchi da hanre su to ger konina honorable union home minister namana sungsoi soidana positively praja sing ya pa mai matung to ger kini habi thaje bo kai media gi sin